Hey, welcome to Paddle and Hike. Today I'll be hiking Mount Chapman and Bald Peak. Let's go. These mountains are part of Stoke's Mountains, and they are located near Dudswell in the Eastern Township area. Bugs are out. It's crazy. It's pretty muddy too, so yeah, lots of bugs today. Today's a beautiful day. It's already around 20 degrees Celsius, so it's a warm day. It's a bit windy. Apparently there's a lot of point of view here, 2 mountains, so it's gonna be pretty fun. There's some entry fees which you can pay online. I'll put the link in the description below. Oh, that's a huge marker. It feels so good to be back on the trail. Beautiful sunny day. Oh. This is a loop trail, and I'm going counterclockwise, so I'll start with Bald Peak, and then I'll go to Chapman. The Eastern Township trails are marked with white and red markers like these, which are the same as the Quebec National Trail. At least the wind helps with the bugs, also the heat, so I'll be less sticky. I don't know about the drones, but we'll see. This trail ain't free, but they clean it very well. The trail is super clean. So you have a bench here, another one here, and a small opening view, which they say it's the view. So let's start a debate here. Do you prefer trail runners, hiking boots, hiking shoes, waterproof? What do you prefer? By far, I prefer trail runners. They dry fast, they're light, and they're comfortable. And don't start with the ankle issues. I've sprained my ankles dozens of times both when I was younger, and I prefer to know my limits than to trust on just the shoes or the boots. I never had issues wearing trail runners, and I have weak ankles. That's me. So what about you? Bald Peak is a very typical going down into the valley and up again trail, so just be aware of that. This way. On top of Bald Peak, so that's the 180 view that you get. Well, it was a bit windy, but still managed to capture some drone shots over Bald Peak. Now let's go see. There's a bunch of views on Mount Chapman, so let's go there. As per my map, Mount Chapman has 5 point of view, so I'll let you know if they are real point of views. So almost there. So that's the first point of view. It's beautiful. Well, the second point of view is not a point of view. It's just a little clearing here, but I don't count this as a point of view. Point of view number 3, it's a win. So the fourth point of view doesn't have a view. It's a fail. Well, the fifth point of view was not too bad. It's just an opening, but at least you can see. It was pretty crowded, so I didn't say anything. But yeah, so you get pretty much 3 point of view out of 5, which is pretty good. I've seen worse. If you enjoy videos like this and you want to help support my channel, you can do so by subscribing, liking, and leaving a comment. All these little things are free and will help me a lot. Thank you. So overall, it's a pretty nice trail. You get 2 mountains, bunch of point of views. It's a loop. It's, I would say, moderate. There's nothing technical here. So it's a fun one. Well marked. If you like sour snacks, well, these gummies are awesome. 14 grams of protein and they taste super good. I'm doing the big loop here, but you don't have to. You can go just to Chapman, or you can go just to, Bald Peak, do both and come back. On your way it will be shorter than if you do the whole loop. There's a lot of stairs like this. Oh, apparently there's another point of view. That's not really a point of view. Sacrifice myself so you don't have to walk extra miles to see nothing. So don't go to the ones that I said it's pointless. So if you do the loop counterclockwise, you will start going up right away. You will clear the mountains and then you're going down and it's flat all the way back to the parking lot. If you do the opposite, well, you start flat, then you'll go up and down steep. So that's your choice. But I think that starting, to go straight up right away, to clear that up and to finish flat with the river, I think that's the best option. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to click on this one. See you soon.